see him go. That bell sounds weird, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Bet that crossing's gonna activate.
I
Yep.
don't like that bell sound. It's too fast.
The signal's yellow down there.
How do you see that?
I don't know.
I can't even see it.
$503. 503. 254, I think. Plumber Energy Hopper number 43, I think. Goes that gate. Gosh, they're going fast.
You put that man on finish. Crossing gates.
Probably. That sounds awful, doesn't it?
Yeah, I didn't like that. It's too fast. It's the first time I caught that bell.
Yeah. There's the last car.
It wasn't a very long train, was it?
Nope. Now let's see which side the light really goes off on. Is it the left or right side? I'm gonna watch it.